Welcome to the demo video of KeywordKolor Chrome browser extension. Let's get started. I'll assume that you already installed the extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once the install is complete, you can confirm that the extension is installed by looking for its icon in your browser toolbar. Click on the extension icon and you should see a pop-up window appear. After installing the extension, it's important to ensure that it's fully running on the pages you visit. If you had any pages open before installing the extension, please reload them now. This extension was originally created to enhance ease and speed while reviewing job postings. As an example, I'll use a job posting during the demo. Start by selecting any text on the screen that you want to highlight. If highlighting is not yet enabled for this page, a pop-up dialog will appear. Select Yes to enable highlighting. You should see that the word is now highlighted with the chosen color. Repeat the process to highlight additional words. Another way to highlight keywords is through the extension's pop-up settings page. This time, we'll use an alternate way to open the settings pop-up page by right-clicking anywhere on the page and choosing Settings. Once you add a keyword on one website, it will be automatically highlighted on all other sites that you enable. Now let's take a look at deletion within the extension settings. If you want to stop highlighting for a specific word, find that word in settings and delete it. If you want to stop highlighting on an entire site, you can also do that from the settings page. And that's it. You've now experienced the key features of the KeywordKolor Chrome browser extension. Enjoy exploring its capabilities and customize your browsing experience to your liking. Thank you for watching the KeywordKolor demo. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know. Happy highlighting!